If you walk into an auto parts store today, you are going to see a stark difference on the shelf. You will see platinum spark plugs selling for around $5, and right next to them, Iridium plugs for $12 or more. That is more than double the price. So the million-dollar question is whether the Iridium is actually better or if you are just paying for a fancy marketing buzzword. Today we are putting them head-to-head on lifespan, performance, and actual value to see which one your engine actually needs to run its best. The science. Why the tip matters. First, we need to look at the physical difference because it matters immensely, even though it is tiny. If you look at the tip of a platinum plug, you will see the center electrode is usually a small disc. Platinum is a durable metal, but it is not the hardest, so the tip has to remain relatively wide. Now compare that to the Iridium plug. The tip looks like a needle. Iridium is 6 times harder than platinum and has a melting point over 4,000 degrees Fahrenheit. Because the metal is so strong, manufacturers can make the electrode incredibly thin. This is simple physics, since it takes less electrical voltage to jump a spark off a sharp point than a blunt one. This means Iridium plugs put significantly less stress on your ignition coils, which helps the rest of your engine last longer. The math. Why cheap is actually expensive. This is where the price difference starts to make sense. A standard platinum plug is rated for about 60,000 miles. After that point, the gap widens and you start losing fuel economy. An Iridium plug is easily rated for 100,000 to 120,000 miles. I have personally seen some come out of Toyotas with 150,000 miles that still looked okay. If you plan on keeping your car for more than 3 years, you will likely have to buy platinum plugs twice in the time you would buy Iridium once. Suddenly, that $12 price tag actually becomes cheaper in the long run because you are not paying for parts or the labor to install them twice. The warning, the downgrade rule. Before you rush out to buy plugs, you need to know the downgrade rule because ignoring this is how people destroy their engines. If your car came from the factory with Iridium plugs, which most modern cars after 2015 did, you strictly cannot downgrade to platinum or copper. Your ignition system is designed for that ultra-fast, low-voltage spark, and putting a cheaper plug-in can cause misfires and check engine lights. However, if your car came with copper or platinum originally, you absolutely can upgrade to Iridium. It is a great upgrade that will give you better cold starts and smoother idling. Just remember to never go backwards. The special case, older waste spark systems. I need to add one quick technical note for the mechanics watching. If you drive an older car from the early 2000s with a waste spark system, be very careful. These systems fire the plug backwards on half the cylinders. If you buy a single platinum plug, the firing process will eat away the metal in months. You need a double platinum or an Iridium plug for these engines. If the box does not say double, then put it back on the shelf. So which one wins? Here is my verdict. If you are selling the car soon, or you are on a super tight budget, then platinum is fine. It is a solid plug that works well enough. But if you want the best performance, better fuel economy, and you do not want to touch your spark plugs again for the next 5 to 7 years, Iridium is 100% worth the extra money. My advice is to spend the extra $20 for the set of Iridium, and your ignition coils will thank you. Now that you have picked your plug, you need to know the right way to install them without cracking the ceramic, because that happens more than you think. Watch this video right here, where I show you how to gap and torque them correctly to avoid engine damage. I will see you over there.